As we all know, here in South Alabama, weather is unpredictable. This week, the weather has been a burden for golfers competing in the week-long Future Masters tournament. Robert Smith hit the course today to find out how the tournament is keeping a close eye on severe weather.
Young golfers compete in the Future Masters tournament all week with one goal in mind: to become the champion of their division. But not only are they battling their opponents, they can battle Mother Nature as well.
Players tee off from 6:30 in the morning all the way till 2 o'clock in the afternoon up there. But obviously safety is the foremost concern. We can always come back the next day and play again. So we do watch the weather very, very closely.
There hasn't been any severe weather affecting the Future Masters tournament since 2018. On Tuesday afternoon, lightning, strong winds, and storms moved into the area, causing a stoppage in play on the course for almost 2 hours. Tournament director Kevin Klein says they watch carefully for incoming lightning.
Yeah, we have a lightning system that kind of monitors lightning strikes. Anything we have, any strikes within 8 miles of the club, we have marshals on the golf course who have horns, and we have a horn on top of the building that we immediately blow to discontinue play immediately. And all the marshals are instructed to give all the players rides back to their vehicles.
For the players, they say having a lightning delay is equivalent to a double bogey or hitting out of the bunker.
It's just a bummer when you have to come off the course after getting something going, some kind of rhythm you got. And so you come and sit down, and then once you can finally get back out on the course, you're tight, and then you have to think about beating all the other kids you're playing with. So cross our fingers and hope we can keep going.
Covering local news first in Dothan, Robert Smith, WDHN News.
Future Masters staff, along with the golfers, say they hope the severe storms stay away from that course for the rest of the week.